Another way to get speed from Agile is through simplicity. So the Agile Manifesto principle number 10 talks about simplicity. Let's look at how we can actually apply this to what we're doing. We know that we are basically working on the how and the what, the implementation, how we're going to do something, the requirements, the what we're going to do. And with both of those are on a scale between known and unknown. And the further we move along those scales, the more complicated things can be. So if something is the requirements are known and the implementation is known, then that's in the simple space. And you know what? We can just get on and do it. We can create a plan. Everything is known. We don't need to deviate from that plan. We can just get on with that, and we don't need much else to worry about. But as we either move where the requirements become less known or the implementation becomes less known, or maybe both, then we move into the complicated space. And that's where Agile really can help us a lot. If we continue to move out on either of those axes, or maybe on both of them, we're moving into the complex world. And when we're moving into the complex world, we need to start really finding elements of frameworks that can help us to solve those. And Scrum was specifically designed to help solve complex problems. So maybe that's what we will use if we're working in a complex environment. And as we continue to move out, of course, we move over to chaos, or to a chaotic environment. What can we do there? Well, actually, one of the simplest and most powerful elements of Agile that we can use, or frameworks of Agile, is actually Kanban. That can really help us to focus, visualize the problem, and focus on it. Make things visual. This is why post-it notes and all that, virtual or physical, are such a powerful tool in helping us understand the problem. So how do we move back from chaotic back down to simple? Well, we move from chaos to complexity through experiments. We are running pilots. We want to see whether the ideas that we have, the theses that we have, could actually solve the problems that we have. We don't know for sure that they will, but that's how we start to move down. We then move from complex to complicated through empiricism, through transparency, through inspection and adaptation. That allows us to continue to move back. And then we move from complicated to simple by, wherever possible, breaking things down into small tasks, working in small iterations so that we can get feedback fast. But simplicity will really help us increase the speed. So if we can keep breaking things down, that will really, really help. And of course, we all know KISS, that famous acronym: keep it super simple.